Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to write a program that gets the paths to the desktop, to the documents and to the downloads folders, and we're also going to change the path to the desktop. And then what we're going to do is we're going to write the paths that we've got to a desktop file on the desktop, to a TXT file. So without further ado, let's start. Let's create the first function here, which is going to be paths. So let's start off there. So I'm going to create the first one, desktop path here, which is going to be equal to, and you need to import the OS module here for this, os.path .expand user. Okay, I'm gonna have to get Mr. Squiggly out because I'm gonna have to use the little squiggly icon, because on my desktop this one is broken for some reason. So I've stored it in a text file called squiggly. Okay, I'm just gonna have to copy that. My computer, I have a problem with this one. On this particular computer I can't use that key, it seems to be broken. So this is my workaround, so I'm going to just pop it in there. Okay, so I want the desktop path, so desktop. There, right, another path I want is the documents folder. Documents path is equal to os.path.expand user. Again, we're going to match that using squiggly character there. It's got a name, but I don't know what its name is. If you know, let me know in the comments below. So this is documents. Okay, I'm going to grab another path called downloads. Downloads path again is equal to os.path.expand user, and again we're going to match it with Mr. Squiggly and downloads. Okay, so let's print that and see what we get. Let's have a look. Well, nothing will come of it, so we're going to have to print it out here. So let's go there, print desktop path, print documents path, and print downloads path. Yeah, okay, let's call it my path. Save it. Let's have a look. Okay, there you go. So we've got the paths to our desktop, to the documents, and to the downloads. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change the path. So that's going to be my path. I'm going to call that is equal to let's say C users mark desktop. So that's the full path to my desktop, and I want to change to that particular path there. So os.chdr change directory to my path. Okay, and then print my path. Okay, I'm going to knock these out so we don't see too much on the screen. Let's just save that. Let's run it. Whoop, what was never closed? Oh, it was closed the wrong way, wasn't it? Oh dear. Right, okay. So let's go for it again. Let's run that. Okay, and that's my desktop path. There you go. So, right, okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to print all these paths to a TXT file. Okay, and what have I done? Oh dear. os.chdir. Why did I delete that? That's going to be my path. Okay, we need to be in that directory because I'm going to print everything to the desktop. So I'm going to create with open here. And I'm going to create a text file called paths.txt, and we're going to use the W flag to create it here as file object, and we're going to say file object dot write. And we're going to do desktop path. So we're going to write that desktop path into the file, and then it's going to be file object dot write, and we're going to write the next one, which is going to be the documents path. Documents path, which is going to be here, and finally file object dot write, and that's going to be the download path. Download path there. Okay, so we're going to write all those paths to a text file, and then we're going to tell the user that we've done that. So simply paths have been written. Okay. Right, now what we're going to do is we're going to save that. Save there, and let's run it. Unexpected indent. Where's the unexpected indent then? Oops. Oh dear, yes, the indentation is wrong there. Should be 4, shouldn't it? 1, 2, 3. So let's take it back that way. Go too far there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Get the indentation wrong in Python, it'll cause you loads of problems. Usually it auto indents for you, so you don't have to worry too much about it. Unexpected indent. What's happened there? Okay, this is what okay, this is where we're having problems. Let's go. Let's try that. Okay. That should be up here. Let's have a look. Normally I don't have this problem, so this should fix it. Okay, let's try saving that. Let's give that a shot. Okay, there we go. Paths have been written. So let's have a look, see if the paths have been written, if the file has been created on the desktop. So there we go. There's the file. So let's open it up. And there we go. Those are the paths there that have been written. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. And if you've not done so already, you need to hit that subscribe button now and turn on all the bell notifications so you know when I upload another video. And I will catch you in another one. Bye-bye.